Good morning, students. Welcome to the last video of solving Mathematics Syllabus D Paper 2, 4024, Variation 21, May, June 2018. In my last video, I have solved up to question number 7. Today, I'm going to do question number 8. Okay, 8 and onwards. Okay, there is this transformation given. Triangle A is mapped onto triangle B by the single transformation K. Find the matrix representing transformation K. Now this one, it's rotated. It looks like it's a rotation. So I have to find out the center and the angle of rotation. A to B. So it's 9. It looks like anti-clockwise. Okay. Now you can just do some of the trial and improvement method and find out the angle of rotation and center of rotation. Okay. So first guess, I'm gonna think that it's gonna be 0 0 if I rotate it 90-degree anti-clockwise. Okay, so this point over here, see that point that makes this two line segment 90-degree. So 1 2 2 to the left, 1 2 3 3 below. So I'm gonna go back here, 2 to the left, 1 2 3 to the 2 below. Okay, so I already found it out. Okay, so I can write down center is 0 0 and this is gonna be 90-degree. I rotate 90-degree. But if you are not sure, there is a way. Okay, what are you gonna do? You're gonna just join corresponding points over here. Okay, just join this two. I already find this out. Okay, but you need to join this, and you can draw the perpendicular bisector of that. Okay, so you can just take this and draw a perpendicular bisector somewhere over here, this and this, and then over here this and this. Let me just join this two so I don't have to come back and find it out again. Okay, so if I join that, it's gonna be here, and take another pair. Okay, you can take this and this corresponding pair. It has to be corresponding pair, or this and this. I'll take this two. Okay, so if I take this two, then from here take another here and somewhere here, and this side, this and this. Okay, it didn't intersect, so it's this. Now these two, this and this, you can see that they go through this origin 0 0. Okay, so that's my center. Now matrix, they didn't ask for that. It's 2 marks. They didn't ask for this, so they are asking for the transformation matrix. Now in one of my videos, the tips and tricks, you have seen that if you go this way, that unit is 0 1 and this one is -1 0. That's anti-clockwise 90-degree rotation. Okay, so this is the vector we are looking at, 0 1 -1 0. Okay, I hope you want to see this video. Okay, triangle B is mapped onto triangle C by a reflection on y-axis. Okay, in y-axis, so the difference over here 1 2, so it's gonna be 1 2 right over here, and 1 2, it's 1 2, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 is that. So I can just join this, and then this is gonna be my triangle C. Okay, this is the easiest way, because if you fold this one through this vertical line, this point is gonna be coincide with this one, with this one. Okay, or you can use the formula that if you have AB, then it's gonna be minus A but B. Okay, so this way you can see that if this is -2 and -3, it's gonna turn into 2 -3, and then it's a -2 -4, it's gonna be 2 -4, and -4 -3, -4 -3 is going to be 4 -3. These are all given in that particular video. Okay, I strongly recommend you to go and check that. Triangle A map onto triangle C by a single transformation L, A to C, A to C. Now this one, you can see that it does look like some kind of reflection. So we're gonna go diagonally 1 2 3, 4, 5. So half of this is going to be here. 1, 2, 2.5. So it does look like it's going through, it's reflecting through this line over here. And this is a very special line. And we do know that it's y equal to x. If it's this way, then it's going to be y equal to minus x. Now this one, 1, 2.5 diagonally, half, 1, 2. And check this one, 1, 2, 3.5. So from this line, half, 1, 2, 3. And look at this one, 1, 2, 3 on this line. Then from here, 1, 2, 3. So this is the line. So you can say that reflection on y equal to x. One number for reflection, one number for y equal to x, equation of the line. Rectangle R map onto rectangle S by the transformation matrix minus 2, 3. So minus 2, 3. Now this one, let's take this one. 1, 2, that's minus 2. 1, 2, 3. Same thing. 1, 2, minus 2. 1, 2, 3 going up. So minus 2, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be here. So that's done. And this is, if I join that, this is like this. And then that's going to be my rectangle S. Okay, so that's done. Now question number 9, it says that the diagram shows a sector of circle of radius 8 centimeter and angle 72 degree. Calculate the shaded region. Okay, so that's the segment. So area of shaded region is going to be area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Now area of the sector, we know 70 divided by 360, theta by 360 times pi r square. In this case, r is 8 square. And area of the triangle is going to be half r square sine 70 degree. I hope you know this formula. So 70 divided by 360, I got that, times pi times 8 square is 64. I got this one, 39.0953. So it's 39.0954. And this one is going to be 64 divided by 2 times sine 70. And that's going to be 30.0702. If I subtract that, it's going to give me 9.03. That's 9.03 square centimeter. Now next one, a piece of chocolate is in the shape of the prism with the shaded area from part A. So we know this, its area 9.02 being its cross section. The rectangular base of the cross section is 16 centimeter by x centimeter. This piece of chocolate is to be placed in a box which is cuboid of the size 16 centimeter, x centimeter, 1.5. Show that this chocolate will fit. Okay, so I need to find out its height. These two are given, so I need to find out its height. Okay, so it's gonna be, if I take this one and originally this thing, okay, and this thing, I need to find out this one, this x, and this x is less than 1.5. I need to prove that. Then this 1.5 boxes height, it's gonna fit in. Okay, if this one is more than 1.5, then it's not gonna be fitting in that box. Okay, and this one is 8, and this is radius of the same circle. Look at this. This is the radius, and from here, if I join that, this is gonna be radius as well. Okay, so this particular place is gonna be 8 minus x, and this is my 90 degree, and this angle, when I draw this line, it's gonna be half, so it's 35 degree. So that's 35 degree. Okay, that's 35 degree. Now adjacent over hypo, so it looks like cos. So cos 35 equal to 8 minus x divided by 8. So it's gonna be 8 cos 35 equal to 8 minus x. So x comes over here. It's gonna be 8 minus 8 cos 35. So 8 minus 8 cos 35. That's gonna give me approximately equal to 1.45 centimeter, which is less than 1.5. So it will fit in the box. So it's showed. Okay, these boxes are to be packed in a carton in the shape of a cuboid. The size of each carton is 48 times 4x times 24. Okay, find the maximum number of chocolate boxes that can be packed inside that carton. Okay, now this one was what? It was 16 by, look at this, 16 by x. So over here I'm gonna write down 16 by x, and this one is gonna be 1.45. Okay, that's 1.45. Don't try to multiply that and multiply this and then divide, because that's gonna sometimes that's not gonna give you the same correct answer. Okay, because the volume might be some types some multiples of this one. This volume is going to be multiple of this one, but the dimension probably sometimes is not going to come. Okay, so try to divide the length with length, breadth with breadth, height with height, because if you have something like this way how many you can fit in, and this way how many you can fit in, so individually multiply that. Okay, divide that. So it's gonna be 48 divided by 16. This thing's gonna give me 3, and this gonna give me 4, and 24 divided by 1.45, that's gonna be 16.55. That's what I was talking about. So I cannot take 16.55, because I cannot break that chocolate and put that fraction of that in there. Okay, so I'm gonna take 16. Okay, so maximum number of boxes that's gonna fit in that is gonna be 3 times 4 times 16, and that's gonna be 192. Okay, so this one is 192. Look at question number 10. Okay, question number 10 says a boat leaves A and travels 12 kilometer to boat B. The boat leaves A at 10:25 and travels at an average, okay, average speed is given. At what time does the boat arrives at B? So time we know, the triangle is DST, distance, and this is speed, this is time. So time is going to be distance over speed. Distance over speed. Distance we know 12, and the speed we know 15. So 12 divided by 15, that's going to be 0.8. If you press this button, see this button, if you press this button, it's going to give you 48 minutes. So the time is 10:25 and 48. You can add that 10, then press this button, then 25, press this button, 10 hour 25 minutes, plus this is going to be 0 hour and then 48 minutes. You can use the calculator to do that. It's going to be 11 hour 13 minutes. So answer would be 11 hour 13 minutes. If you don't know how to do that, then you can do this. 12 by 15, that's 3 4s, 3 5s, and it's going to be 0.8, and 0.8 hour times 60, take this one off, is 10, that means hour. So this cross out is 48 minutes. Okay, now add that. This is manually I'm doing, but since it's a calculator version, I can use that. So 48, if you add that, 5 plus 8 is 13, carrying 1, 5 6 7 and 10. But we know that after 60 minutes, after 59 minutes, at 60, after 60, it's gonna be 1 hour. So subtract 60 from here, it's gonna be 13, and 60 minutes become 1 hour, so this is gonna be 11. So 11 13, it doesn't matter how you do, it's gonna be always the same answer. B, the bearing of B from A is 56 degree. B is 2 kilometer due east west of C. Calculate AC. So I need to find out AC. Now I have two sides length given. I don't have this one, but what can I do? If I know this is the west, okay, B is the west of C. So if I draw this one, this is gonna be 90 degree, okay, because this is on the east and this is gonna be on the south, so this is gonna be 90 degree. Now this angle equal to this angle, and that's 56 degree, and this is 90. I know angle B equal to 56 plus 90, that's gonna be 146 degree. Now I have this one is 146 degree, and I have this 2 length. I can find out AC by cosine rule. AC rule is going to be square root 12 square plus 2 square minus 2 times 12 times 2 cos 146. Let's see what that gives me. 12 square plus 2 square minus 2 times 12 times 2 times cos 146. Now square root of that, I got 13.7. So approximately equal to 13.7 kilometer. 13.7. Okay. Now C is the base of a cliff. Okay, base of a cliff. The top of the cliff is D, is vertically. So this is 90 degree. Okay, DC perpendicular. Oh, DC perpendicular. Sorry, DC perpendicular to BC, and DC is 105. DC is 105. So this one is 105 meter. So meter and kilometer. Be careful with that. Calculate the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation. This one they are asking for. Now over here, I want to mention one thing. If you look at this, what is angle of depression and angle of elevation? Okay. Now this is your eye. So this way, this is known as eye level. This is your eye level. Okay. If you are looking at a bird on the sky. Okay. So if you look at this way, so from your eye level, the angle you make, that's known as angle of elevation. Okay. Now in the below, if you look at some of the flower, okay, let's say there are some of the flowers and you are looking at this flower, okay, like this. So this angle is known as, let this one be alpha. So this is gonna be angle of depression. Okay, depression. So they are asking for angle of elevation. So from here, eye level, I want this one. Okay, so this angle. Now you see this is oppo and this is adjacent. So it's this theta is gonna be tan inverse. But be careful. This is 105, and that 2 kilometer is gonna be 2000 meter. I need to use the same unit. So it's gonna be tan inverse 105 divided by 2000, and that's gonna be 3.01. So this is 3.01 degree. Okay, so this one is done. Now question number 11a. The grid shows the line 4y. Okay, this one is 4y equal to x plus 2. They already said that. By drawing appropriate line indicates the region are defined by all these inequalities. X is greater than or equal to 1. So let me draw this line. This is x equal to 1. Okay, so that's x equal to 1. And then x plus y is less than or equal to 5. So this is going to be, see that x plus y equal to 5. So divide both sides by 5. So x by 5 plus y by 5 equal to 1. So this 5, join that. And that's going to be this line over here. And then we can write down this one, x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, and last one, this one. Now look at this. It's greater than that, so it's this side. I have this region, this region, this region, nothing over here. And then x plus y is less than. Okay, so this one, now y is positive over here, so less than this one. So I have this and this region, or this region. Okay, not this. And this one greater than, so the greater than. So this region must be, R is over here. They said R, so this is R. That's the region. And this one gonna be, I'll just shade this one like that. Okay, so that's R. Done. Now A is the point -1, 3, and B is the point 5, 5. Calculate the length AB. So length AB, we can write down. The formula goes like x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square root for the length. So that's -1 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. So that's going to be -6 whole square is 36. And this is 3 minus 5 is 2 square is 4. So square root 40. And if I use the calculator, square root 40 gives me 2 root 10 or 6.32. Okay, correct to 3 significant figures. And this one must be no unit given, so I can write down unit. Okay, so that's done. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to AB. Now gradient of AB equal to gradient of AB is like this. The gradient's formula is difference in y-axis divided by difference in x-axis. So it's 5 minus 3, 5 minus plus minus minus plus 1. So 2 by 6, that's going to be 1 by 3. Now gradient of perpendicular to AB, that's going to be 1 minus this, that means minus 3. Okay, and perpendicular, okay, line perpendicular to AB passes through the midpoint of AB. Now let's go for midpoint of AB. Now midpoint, the midpoint's formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this midpoint's gonna be minus 1 plus 5, that's 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 3 plus 5, 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So required equation would be the formula goes y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. When one point's coordinates given and gradient given, this is the formula we use. So that's gonna be y minus 4 equal to minus 3 x minus 2. Taking the bracket off and simplify, y equal to, this is minus 3x, this is minus minus plus 6 plus 4, that's gonna be plus 10. So this equation gonna be y equal to minus 3x plus 10. Okay, so that was it. I hope you understand that. If you have any question, leave in the comment box. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Have a good day.